So in today's video, I will tell you how you can install Whmcs in Cpanel. And if you are looking for reseller hosting, then Fukra Host is best for you. So first of all, open your Cpanel. After that, you have to open your file manager and go to public HTML. Now the upload option will be visible on you. There you have to upload Whmcs. So our Whmcs has been uploaded in public HTML. Now we have to extract it here. After extraction, we have to open our website and see it. So Whmcs is now installed, and welcome message is coming. Now we have to set it up Whmcs. It is written here that click here to login click on. Then it will show you the term and conditions of Whmcs. Then you have to read it and accept it. After that, you will see the option of begin installation here. Click on it. You have to do it. Then after that, you will be asking for username and database password here. Where will you get it? From our Cpanel. So we open our Cpanel. After your Cpanel is open, you have to click on the MySQL database wizard. Then you have to name the database. Then you also have to put the username of the database, and you can generate the password. After that, you have to click on the next step, which is you have to allow all privileges the next step. Then your database has been created. Then you have to copy the username of your database, copy the password, and you have to go to your website and fill all the details. Click on the next step. Here it will ask for your name and administrator's username and password. After that, you have to click on the next step. Then you will see that your Whmcs has been installed. And copy this cron job. You have to go to your Cpanel again. After that, you have to public Cpanel and delete the install folder. And after go panel and search cron job and select time 5 menus and paste here now. Go your site. You can see that Whmc has been installed. If you want to log in your admin, then write the /admin in your domain back. Then your admin will open. If you are also looking for a reliable hosting and domain provider, then Fukra Host will be best for you. We best and 99% uptime services.